Hello everyone, this is DeLonghi from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Magnifica XS with us in the shop, and it had came in for the issue that the machine was not brewing coffee. Pretty much when we opened the machine and tested it, what we found is that there's just a lot of coffee buildup, both in the mechanical valve, brew unit, and so we went around cleaning out all the coffee, doing cleaning cycles to kind of clear out those spouts, and also did descaling to clean out the thermal blocks from minerals in the water. And after all that and replacing the brew unit, we have a pretty service machine here. We're just going to quickly test by grinding some coffee. Going to do a double shot here, and then we're going to test right after. We're going to test the hot water and steaming functionality just to make sure everything's working. Now it's going to get ready to go into brew position. Now it's doing the pre-infusion. And now it's going to start brewing. Beautiful. Don't worry about the coffee. We're using our test coffee, so it's quite a little bit old, so there might not be as much crema or gases inside of the coffee beans. But yeah, coffee's brewing nice and well. We're going to let that come out. Dump the old coffee pot. And then we can quickly remove this drip tray to see we have nice little pucks in there. We also did clean the inside of the machine as best as we could, replacing the gasket on the mechanical valve because that usually fails and allows a lot of coffee to get spilled up inside of the machine. Cleaned behind the mechanical valve, shower screen, and yeah, so now we're going to test hot water. Kind of point this a little bit down, I guess to the side. Looking well. Then we are going to turn on the steaming function to allow steaming. Steam quality. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.